Learn how to install ceramic tiles for your house entrance in this detailed, step-by-step tutorial. The entrance is the first thing visitors see when they arrive at your home, so getting the tiling right isn't just about appearance, it's also about durability, safety, and long-term performance against daily foot traffic, weather exposure, and moisture. In this video, we walk you through the entire process from start to finish, sharing professional tips and techniques used by experienced tile installers to help you avoid common mistakes and achieve a flawless, long-lasting result. We begin by covering the importance of proper surface preparation, including cleaning the existing floor, checking for cracks or unevenness, and applying leveling compound where necessary. A poorly prepared surface is one of the most common causes of tile failure, so this step is essential no matter how experienced you are. From there, we explain how to plan your tile layout before starting, including how to find the center point, decide on the best starting position, and minimize small, awkward cuts at the edges for a cleaner overall look. Next, we demonstrate the correct way to mix and apply tile adhesive, including the right consistency, trowel size, and application technique to ensure strong adhesion and prevent hollow spots underneath the tiles. We also cover how to properly place and press each tile, use tile spacers for consistent joint lines, and check for levelness continuously throughout the installation using a level or laser level tool. Since entrances often require precise cuts around door frames, corners, and thresholds, we dedicate a full section to tile cutting techniques, including how to measure accurately, mark tiles correctly, and use a tile cutter or angle grinder safely for clean, professional edges. We also discuss how to handle transitions between the entrance and adjoining floors or outdoor areas, including expansion joints and slight slopes for water drainage, when applicable. Once all tiles are installed and the adhesive has cured, we move on to grouting, covering how to choose the right grout color and type, how to mix it properly, and how to apply and clean it for crisp, even joint lines. Finally, we share maintenance tips to help keep your new entrance tiles looking great for years to come, including cleaning recommendations and how to protect them from scratches and stains, preparing and leveling the entrance floor properly, planning tile layout to minimize awkward cuts, correct adhesive mixing, trowel selection and application, accurate tile spacing, alignment, and continuous leveling checks, precise cutting techniques for door frames, corners, and thresholds, handling transitions and drainage slopes where needed, grouting for a clean, professional, long-lasting finish, maintenance tips to protect your entrance tiles over time. What type of tile is best for a house entrance? Porcelain or ceramic tiles with good durability and slip resistance work best since entrances get heavy foot traffic and are exposed to dirt, moisture, and sometimes outdoor weather conditions. Do I need a slope at the entrance for water drainage? Yes. A slight slope away from the doorway helps prevent water from entering the house, especially for entrances that face outdoor areas or are exposed to rain. How long should I wait before walking on the new tiles? It's best to wait at least 24 hours before walking on freshly installed tiles, and a few days before placing heavy furniture or foot traffic returns to normal. Can I install tiles directly over entrance floor? In some cases, yes, if the existing surface is stable, clean, and properly leveled. Otherwise, it's recommended to prepare the subfloor first for the best long-term results. How do I keep the grout lines looking clean over time? Sealing the grout after it fully cures and cleaning it regularly with a mild cleaner helps prevent staining and keeps the joints looking fresh for longer. Subscribe to Ighoud Ceramic Tiles for more professional tiling and home improvement tutorials. 0108 ALS.